Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious fudgy, nutty, gooey and chocolatey hazelnut dark chocolate brownies. This recipe is super easy and can be made by literally anyone and is perfect to satisfy those brownie cravings. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is chop up some dark chocolate and set that aside so we can have it ready to use later. The next thing we're going to do is chop up some roasted hazelnuts and set that aside as well. I'm using a half a cup, but you can also use up to 1/3 cup if you'd like a little bit less hazelnuts in your brownies. We're going to set that aside and move on to the brownie batter. I'm going to melt some butter, and while it's still hot, we're going to add into it some instant coffee, the chopped chocolate, remember to save about 50 grams for the top, and 1/8 cup of cocoa powder. Let that sit for a minute or two, and then you can mix it until everything is fully combined. Set that aside, and in a separate bowl, we're going to combine together some granulated sugar, brown sugar, some salt, and vanilla extract. Now we're going to add 3 eggs one at a time, mixing well between each addition. Once you've added in all the eggs, we're going to beat this mixture until it is pale and fluffy, which takes about 5 minutes. This is a secret to getting the perfect brownies with beautiful crinkly tops. Once the mixture looks like this, we're going to pour in the prepared chocolate ganache while whisking. Once that's fully combined, it's time to add in the dry ingredients. Sift in cocoa powder and all-purpose flour, and then fold until everything is fully combined. Once the batter is fully combined, we're going to add in the chopped hazelnuts. Remember to save a tablespoon or 2 for the top of the brownies. Coat the hazelnuts in a teaspoon of flour before adding into the batter. This helps prevent them from sinking to the bottom of the brownies. Now give it one last mix until everything is fully incorporated. The full recipe is available in the description box below with tips and tricks to get the perfect brownies every single time. The brownie batter is now ready to be baked. I have here an 8x8 square baking tray. We're going to pour the batter into the tray and spread it out. Finally, we're going to sprinkle on some chopped hazelnuts and dark chocolate. You can leave this part out if you'd like. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it's baked, you want to let that cool down completely before cutting. And that's it. These dark chocolate hazelnut brownies are now ready to be enjoyed. This recipe will give you perfect brownies every single time, and you can always leave out the hazelnuts to make just plain brownies. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. Thanks for watching!